Hello my favorite people. So today I'll be talking about how our best way to exfoliate skin of color. Okay, when it comes to skin of color, because our skin produces loads and loads of melanin by a cell called melanocytes. Okay, so we are very prone to pigment. Our skin gets pigmented very easily. So when it comes to using exfoliant, you have to be very careful what kind of exfoliant you use on your skin in order to stop your skin from getting irritation or burnt, or even at the end those burnt or those irritation ending up causing hyperpigmentation. Okay, now before then, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I am a certified esthetician and my channel is about skincare. I teach how to look after your skin, and I recommend products, and I also do skin consultation. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and share this video. So, what sort of exfoliant should skin of color use to avoid your skin from getting irritation? My first recommendations are chemical exfoliants. So chemical exfoliants, these are acids that work on epidermis. So they dissolve dead skin cells so that they get washed off easily from the skin. Okay, so they are very good when it comes to removing dead skin cells. So the first chemical exfoliant are the AHs. So the AHs are the likes of glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and lactic acid. So these acids helps to dissolve dead skin cells and from our skin very easily. It makes them very easily to be removed from our skin. Okay, now the second one are the BHAs. The BHAs are the likes of salicylic acid, and they do the same thing as the AHs, but they are different acids with different molecules. So which of them do I recommend for skin of color? You can use either the AHs, which is the AHs, or the BHAs. And with the AHs, this is how you use it. So with glycolic acid, do not go more than 5%. Okay, the reason is because glycolic acid, they are too strong, especially for skin of color. I love glycolic acid myself, but a lot of people, it's not their favorites because they think it's a little bit too strong when it comes to skin of color. But I use it on my skin and it doesn't do me any harm. Okay, but if you want to use it for skin of color, do not go more than 5% because it can be a little bit too strong for our skin, so you don't want to get burned. If you use very high percentage, you may end up burning your skin, or may end up getting your skin getting pigmented. Okay, so do not go more than 5%. Lactic acid, anything higher than 7% for skin of color is not recommended. So you go with between 2 to 7%. Okay, now mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is one of my favorite acids. The reason is because it penetrates very slowly on the skin, and it's not as strong as glycolic acid, but most importantly it's very hydrating on the skin. So I really like mandelic acid. In fact, mandelic acid and glycolic acid are my favorite AHs. Okay, so BHAs, I love BHAs. The reason is because they work so beautifully on acne prone skin and very oily skin. Okay, so if you're someone suffering from acne prone skin, skin of color, salicylic acid, which is a part of BHA, is very good for you. It will really help you to keep that skin looking good. Okay, now another exfoliant that I love for skin of color is charcoal mask. Charcoal mask, when it comes to charcoal, is very important to use charcoal mask for skin of color. I'm not saying that you must use it, but it's good because charcoal mask helps to draw out impurities. That's what charcoal does. Charcoal draws out impurities and dirt from your skin, and charcoal is also good for acne prone skin. A lot of skin of color suffer from acne prone skin, so the use of charcoal mask will really help you to keep that dirt and impurities off your skin. Okay, now I know a lot of you will be saying, what about face scrub? Why am I not saying anything about face scrub? Face scrub, yeah, it's good. I'm not against it, but it's not my favorite when it comes to skin of color, because skin of color, we are prone to hyperpigmentation. Any little thing, any irritation, any cut, any bruises, any burn can result to our skin being pigmented. That's why I'm usually not a fan of face scrub. But if you have to use face scrub, use the one that has very tiny granules, the gentle ones, not those ones with strong granules. Those ones with strong granules, they are not the best for skin of color. Now, how do you use it for different skin types? Because even skin of color, we have different skin types. So whatever dry skin uses, sensitive skin uses, oily skin uses, combination skin uses, is not the same. So skin of color, yes, your skin tone can be the same, but different skin type uses different skincare products. So for oily skin and acne prone skin, I recommend that you use salicylic acid, because salicylic acid is very good in minimizing the pores and drawing out all those oil from your skin, overproduction of sebum on your skin, which is what causes your skin to break out sometimes and look very oily. Okay, so salicylic acid, that is what BHA does. BHA help to minimize pores and help to reduce overproduction of sebum on your skin. All right, now with dry sensitive skin, I recommend mandelic acid, because mandelic acid helps to hydrate your skin and is not a very strong acid. A lot of dermatologists usually recommend mandelic acid when they are treating sensitive or dry skin, because they are very good exfoliant for dry sensitive skin. And for normal combination skin, you can use any of the acids. Any of the acids will be good on your skin. I know you're saying, is it the best skin? Well, normal skin is usually the best anyway, but any of these acids, mandelic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, any of these acids will be good for your skin. All right, so how do you use these acids? How do you use these exfoliants on your skin? How many times do you have to use it in a week? Now, this is very important. For dry sensitive skin, you should only use exfoliant once a week, because your skin is already dry and your skin is already sensitive, so it's prone to more dryness if you use too much of it, and it's prone to more irritation for sensitive skin if you use too much of it. So only use exfoliant once a week. For normal combination acne prone skin, you can use those exfoliants 2 times a week. But for salicylic acid, you can use a daily, every night for acne prone skin or for oily skin. Just apply it on your cleansed face. Make sure you always cleanse and tone your face before you apply any of the acids, okay? Especially the one that you're going to put overnight. So you cleanse your face first. If you watch one of my videos up here, show you how to cleanse your face the correct way. You cleanse, you tone, and then you put your acid on top, okay? Now, I hope I've covered the areas that needed to be covered. Then, if I haven't, you can leave a comment below and tell me what else you want me to cover when it comes to this topic, okay? Now, my favorite people, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. And follow me, my other social media page, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, CHIKA Beauty. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.